Far back is Rachel.
The candidates for the baccalaureate degrees in School of Engineering, please rise. It gives me great pleasure to recommend those candidates who have completed all the requirements prescribed by the faculty of the School of Engineering for their respective degrees, and to recommend them as worthy of being awarded the degrees for which they have been approved.
Honorable Dean Kramer, upon the recommendation of the faculty and by the authority of the Board of Trustees of the University of Dayton and the State of Ohio, I confer upon the qualified candidates the appropriate degrees as listed in the commencement program, with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities pertaining thereto. Congratulations!
He's actually
Adam Friedel, Rachel Sachs, Hannah Schepline, Joseph Wise.
Jim, please. Don't stop me. Don't let him stop me.
So it's Christmas morning. It's our first Christmas as empty nesters, so it's a little weird. But we woke up real early. We've both had coffee and a little bit to eat. Our older daughter, Rachel, is going to be bringing cinnamon rolls over in a little bit, which I'm super excited for. It's kind of a Christmas tradition. She makes cinnamon rolls for us. He actually usually is working on Christmas Day, so it's special to have him home. And so I just wanted to tell you a little bit about some of the stuff that you saw previously. So one of the things, we've been very, very busy between work. We had a project that kicked off in the middle of December, so I was very busy with that for a week and a half. And then Rachel graduated from University of Dayton, which started the video off. You got to see a little bit of her commencement, at least what I consider most of the important part. But I wanted to tell you a little bit about the ornaments on our Christmas tree. Most of our ornaments have some sort of special meaning for the most part. This is one ornament that was his family's ornament. It's a very old ornament. You can tell from the glass how not colorful it is. It looks very worn out. I have no idea what era it's from. I'm guessing maybe the 20s. It could be before that. I'm gonna put that up there.
That's what I mentioned. My grandparents were married in like 1920, so it could be really
Yes,
old.
you can tell them that. Yes, you can tell them that.
My maternal grandparents were born in like the early 1900s, married like after World War I. So that could be from the 1920s.
So we're not exactly sure. We found a whole bunch of ornaments when his mom passed away, and we've just kind of held on to them. And we try to put them on the tree a little bit. So you saw some of the ornaments that are his favorites. I'm sure you spotted some interesting characters like the famous Star Trek kidnapping. Let's see. Robbie the robot, Johnny Quest fighting a dragon.
Yes.
Okay, and Spider-Man. And then I like some of the more traditional and unique ones. I like the birds. We've got all kinds of varieties of birds. The older glass ornaments that have the paper bottom and then the little like figurines or whatever inside. I really like those. And then one of the other traditions that we started when we first got married or when we had kids?
Yes.
Okay, so sometime early on, we started a tradition of buying a Christmas ornament for every vacation that we went on. So one of the vacations that we went on to, September of 2020, believe it or not, we actually got to go. We went to Yellowstone National Park. It was an incredible trip, But this is one of the ornaments that we got from that trip. We actually have a couple. There was another one, if you caught it, from Grand Teton. And
it's one of my favorites.
Yeah, I know. Was there a third one or just those two?
I think it was just those two.
Oh, no. One that we don't have on the tree this year was a dinosaur. I don't remember which one it was.
That came from a little
it was a little
town.
Well, it was a little dinosaur museum on a mining university campus. I will look the information up and put it down below. Anyway, the thing is about this big, and it's literally a plastic toy that I've tied a harness around that goes on the tree. And he didn't get to go up this year because our tree is so small. But anyway, so when we decorate the tree, there's lots of memories there about all of the vacations that we went on. So anyway, we wanted to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I hope that you guys have enjoyed Vlogmas. Do you have anything that you want to add?
Be careful, everybody. Thank you. Have a great New Year. And don't let the unhappy people of the world get you down. They're not worth the energy.
Merry Christmas.